Automate integration between SOLIDWORKS or SOLIDWORKS PDM and Dynamics Navision or Business Central using PDM2 NAV add-in. Using this add-in, it is possible to preview and check if an item exists in ERP. In this example, you can see the selected item doesn't exist in ERP. The same can be confirmed in Business Central. This assembly along with its children will be automatically transferred as soon as they are approved. After file has been approved, transfer process is started and a status dialog is shown. In the dialog, process status of transfer can be seen. It is possible to push transfer process to background if required. After approval is over, ERP details can be previewed in preview windows. Now if we check Business Central, transferred items will be available along with preview. Production BOM along with BOM version can also be seen. It is possible to create assembly BOM also if required. In the ERP BOM preview, it is possible to see BOMs from previous date or different statuses also. Since this BOM is created now, if we select old date, BOM is not seen. If different configurations are being used, then it is possible to see BOMs of different configuration also. Using BOM Compare, it is possible to compare PDM BOM with ERP BOM. It is possible to compare with previous versions of production BOM, or of different status or configurations. Child item property differences can also be seen. Now let us modify the description of one of the children. After modification, differences can be seen in BOM Compare window. Results of BOM Compare can be exported to an Excel file. Exported Excel will have differences highlighted. Using SOLIDWORKS add-in, it is possible to perform integration operations directly from SOLIDWORKS without the need of coming back to PDM window. Now let us modify assembly in SOLIDWORKS by adding an extra component in SOLIDWORKS. After adding the component, if we do BOM Compare from within SOLIDWORKS, we can see differences highlighted. We can also preview ERP data directly inside SOLIDWORKS. It is possible to save columns that one wants to preview inside preview panes. No additional license is required for SOLIDWORKS add-in. Using the optional reporting add-on, it is possible to see how many items have or BOMs or entities have been created by users or entities created during certain period of time inside ERP. Data can be grouped based on required period or for required user. Data that is seen here can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Before exporting, data can be sorted or filtered as per requirement. Graphs also can be exported for further analysis. Graph types can also be changed based on convenience. Using the log viewer, it is possible to search previous logs for possible exceptions and other required information. Process list can also be seen in Process List tab, showing the list of ERP data transfer processes.